start.
Okay. Yesterday class we have discussed about exercise 2.2. Now the new topic of linear equations in one variable is exercise 2.3. We had given that to solve the following equations. You have to solve this equations you have to follow that. In that exercise 2.3, the first sum. What is the first sum given here? 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. So what we have to do? We have to solve this equation and find out the variables. Okay. What is the variable here? X is a variable. Okay. X is a variable. So we have to find out the x value. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to move. Put the variables on one side and constant terms on the another side. So we will calculate easily the variables. Okay. So first one, 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. Okay. So 7x is a variable, 2x is a variable, minus 5 is a constant value. So move this 2x variable to the left hand side. So it is a positive 2x. It will move to the left hand side, means it will become a negative value. Okay, that is minus 2x. So here minus 5 is a constant value. If it is move on to the right hand side, it will become a positive value, that is plus 5. So move on this variable to this left hand side, that is 7x minus 2x equal to minus 5. Minus 5 move on to the right hand side is plus 5. Okay, so 7x minus 2x, 7 minus 2, that is 5. So x is a variable, 5x equal to 5. So we want the variable of an x. So move on this 5 to this right hand side. So it will 5 is in multiplication, it will move on to the right hand side, means it will be division. So 5 is in 5, 1 table. So x equal to 1. So this is the equation. Okay, now move on to the next sum. What is the next sum here given? 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. This is here there is a one variable. That is, what is the variable here? Given that x. So we have to find out the value of an x. So move variables to the left hand side and put the variables in the left hand side and the constant values on the right hand side. So here 5x is a variable, on the right hand side 2x is a variable. So move this variable to the left hand side. So what will happen? 5x. This plus 2x move on to the left hand side, means minus 2x. So move this minus 12 to right hand side. It will become plus 12. So 5x minus 2x. 5 minus 2. What is the value of 5 minus 2? That is 3. So 3x equal to minus 6 plus 12. 1 minus and 1 plus. 1 minus means 1 minus 1 plus means it will be subtraction. So 12 minus 6, the value is 6. The highest value is plus. So it will be a plus 6. So that implies we want the x value. So move on this 3 to the right hand side. 6 by 3. 3 here in 2 times. That implies x equal to 2. What is the x value here? 2 is the x value. Okay, next move on to the third sum. So this third sum is same as the second problem. Okay, so we have to, there is a variable, here is a variable x and here is a variable p. Okay, so we have to find out the value of a p value. So move on this variables on the left hand side and the variables on the right hand side. So here 3p is in the right hand side. So move on to the left hand side, it will become minus 3p. So 7p minus 3p equal to here plus 8. Here minus 3. Minus 3 move on to the right hand side, means it will become say plus 3. That implies 7p minus 3p. What is the value of the 7p minus 3p? It is a value of 4p. Okay, it is a value of 4p and 8 plus 3. What is the value of 8 plus 3? The value is 11. So what we have to find out the value of p. So move on this 4 to the right hand side. P equal to 11 by 4. Is there Is there any value calculations here? No, there is no calculation. So the p value is 11 by 4. Okay, the p value is 11 by 4. Next, the fourth sum, fifth one, sixth one are the same methods of this two same. This second sum and the third sum, same process. Okay, you have to do like that. So in the first sum, the variable is m. So we have to find out the value of m. And here, and fifth sum, here is a variable z. So you have to find out the value of z. And the sixth sum, you have to find out the value of y. Here given y variable. So next move on to the seventh sum. Okay. Next move on to the seventh sum, that is 3x plus 4 equal to 5 into x minus 2. This 5x belongs to x and 2 also. So we have put in the whole bracket. Okay, we have put in the whole bracket. So that's why this 5 belongs to this x and minus 2. Okay. So first of all, we have to simplify that. 3x plus 4 equal to 5 into x. 5x. We know that a into b plus c equal to a into b plus b into c. Like that we have to make that 5 into x. 5x here minus symbol, plus into here plus into minus minus. 5 into 2 10. Okay. Okay. So now move the variables. Now move the variables on the left hand side. Variables on the left hand side and the functions on the right hand side. So it will become 3x. So this 5x moves on to the left hand side, that is minus 5x. This plus 4 moves on to the right hand side, that implies minus 4. Okay, let us see here 3x minus 5x, 1 plus and 1 minus. 1 plus and 1 minus means it will be a subtraction. Okay, 5 minus 3, what is the value of 5 minus 3? It is 2. So the highest value has a sign minus. So it will become minus 2x equal to minus 10 minus 4. So there are two minus values. Minus means we have to add it. 10 plus 4, 14. And the highest value is minus. That equals to 14. So cancel minus and minus here. So we want the x value. So move on this 2 to the right hand side. It will be by 2. 2 here in 7 times. That implies x equal to 7. What is the value here? X equal to 7. Okay. This is about the seventh sum. And next move on to the eighth one. What is the eighth one given here? So same. Here what we have given, same the process we have to, here on the both the left hand side and the right hand side we have to multiply first of all. So what is here given? 3 into t, 3t, plus into minus minus, 3 into 3 9 equal to 5 into 2t. 5 2 is 10, 10 into t, 10t. Okay, plus into minus minus, 5 into 1, 5. Okay, this is an equation we have to move on this side. Okay, this plus t moves to the left hand side, it will become a minus t. That implies 3t minus 10t. 3t minus 10t equal to minus 5. Let's move this minus 9 to the right hand side, it will become say plus 9. Okay, so 3t minus 10t. What is the value of 3t minus 10t? That is minus 70. Why? Because here plus and minus, 1 plus and 1 minus means we have to do the subtraction. 10 minus 3 is 7. So highest value is minus. So minus 70 equal to plus 5, sorry, minus 5 plus 9. 1 minus 1 plus means we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So we earned the value of an t. So move on this minus 7 to the right hand side. That is 4 by 7 minus here. Okay. 4 by 7. Is there any cancellations here? No. There is no cancellation. So it is a value. Okay. Now move on to the next. Ninth sum and the tenth sum are same. This process only. Okay. So we have to multiply left hand side first and after right hand side. So there will be a variables. Put all the variables on the left hand side and functions on the right hand side. So we have to do like that. Ninth sum and tenth sum are same as eighth sum. Now move on to the 11th sum. Okay. So what is the 11th sum here given? That so 15 into a into b plus c. What is the formula we have? We know that a into b plus c formula. AB plus AC. So we have to multiply 15 into x. 15 into x, 15x minus plus into minus 15 into 1, 15 plus 4 into plus 4 into x, 4x here plus 4 into plus 3 plus into plus 4 3 is 12. Okay, this is about the left hand side. On the right hand side 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14 plus 2 into x, 2x. So we have to add variables and constant terms. Okay, so 15x plus 4x, 15x plus 4x. What is the value here? 15x plus 4x. Okay, 15x plus 4x. That is 19x minus 15 plus 12 minus 1 minus and 1 plus. 1 minus 1 plus means we have to do the subtraction. 15 minus 12, that is the value of 3. Okay, so 3. So what we have to put the sign? The highest value is 15. So that is the sign of minus. So we have to put the minus here. So 14 plus 2x. Okay, so move on. Take off the variables on the left hand side and the functions on the right hand side. So what will happen? So this 2x move on to the right hand side and minus 3 move on to the right hand side. So 19x. This plus 2x comes to the right hand side means it will become say minus 2x, that equal to 14 minus 3 move on to the right hand side means it will become say plus 3. 19 minus 2. 19 minus 2 is 17. 17x equal to 14 plus 3, that equal to 17. We want the x value. Move on the 17 to the right hand side. 17 in 1 times, that is plus x equal to 1. Okay, this is about the 11th sum. And there is another examples 12, 13, sorry, not an examples, an exercise sum. 12, 13, 14 are the same. This model only you have to. I will say another example. That sorry, another sum, that is I am saying about the 13th sum. Okay, I will say about the 13th sum, and we have to do the 12th one and 14th. Okay, there is 14 sums in the exercise 2.3. You have to done it. Okay, so I will say about the 13th sum. Okay, all of you have understood these topics. This is a very simple exercise which can score more marks. Okay, so next move on to the 13th sum. Okay, what is the 13th sum given here? 8 into x minus 3 minus 6 minus 2x equal to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. Okay, so here is a variable of an x. So we have to first of all simplify this equation. First of all, so a into b plus c, that is ab. 8x minus plus into minus minus 8 3s are 24. Okay, next minus, here there is no value means we have to put the minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 6, sorry, minus 1 into plus 6, it will become minus 6. Minus 1 into minus plus 1 into 2x, 2x equal to, next 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 2, 4, and here minus 5 into plus 5, minus into plus, minus 5 into 5, 25, minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x. Okay, so add the variables. What is the variable here? 8x is a variable and 2x is a variable. 8x plus 2x, that is 10x. Okay, so what are the constant values? Minus 24 minus 6. Minus means we have to add. Okay, 24 plus 6, 30. So what is the highest value? Minus 30 equal to, what is the here variables? 2x and 5x. 2x plus 5x, that is 7x. So what is the variables here? Plus 4 and minus 25. On plus and on minus we have to subtract. 25 minus 4, that equal to 21. So highest value is minus. So you have to put the minus here. Okay. So move on this variables to the left hand side and the constant terms on the right hand side. What will happen? Then 10x. This plus x moves to the minus 7x. This plus minus 30 moves to the right hand side, means it will become say plus 30. Okay. So 10x minus 7x. That is 10 minus 7, 3. 3 into x, 3x. Minus 21 plus 30. Minus plus we have to subtract. 30 minus 21, 9. And the highest value sign is plus. So it is a plus 9. So we want the x value here. So move on this 3 to this side. 3 here and 3 times. That implies x equal to 3. Okay. This is about the 13th sum, and we have to do the 12th sum and 14th sum. So what you have to do the extra sums. Okay, 5th one, 6th one, sorry, 4th one, 5th one, 6th one we have to do, and 9th one, 10th one you have to do, and 12th one and 4th one also you have to do. While this is an example. So if you have any doubts, you can contact in our WhatsApp groups. Okay, this is about the exercise 2.3 of the linear equations in one variable.